Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to put OS 6 on a BlackBerry 9700 Bold. First thing you're going to want to do is download the file in my description, which is the actual operating system. Then just double click on that and install it like you would any normal program. I already have it installed, so I'm going to skip this step. After you install it, do not use Desktop Manager to install the OS. First go to Start, Computer, and your local C disk. Now if you're running an x64 version of Windows, you're still going to want to look for program files x86. Double click that and then find common files. Once you find it, double click that and find Research in Motion. After you do that, go to App Loader. At the very bottom there will be a file named Vendor. I already deleted it because I already installed it on my phone, but just delete that file. After you do that, all you have to do is double click on the loader file and it will start the setup for your phone. And that is all you have to do to install OS 6 on your BlackBerry 9700. If you found this video useful, please subscribe. Thanks.